This tree smiles when it's ready to harvest. Meet the pistachio tree, Pistacia vera. Born in the rugged dry lands of Central Asia, it's been feeding civilizations for thousands of years in places so harsh that almost nothing else survives. Pistachio is one of only 2 nuts mentioned in the Bible, listed alongside almonds as among the finest products of Canaan. In Iran's Khorasan region, some pistachio trees are believed to be over 700 years old, and they're still producing nuts. The tree needs a rare climatic combination to fruit properly: 600 to 1,000 chill hours below 7 degrees Celsius in winter, and summer temperatures above 38 degrees. Its deep taproot can reach several meters underground to find water, making it incredibly drought-hardy. And that split shell? It's called dehiscence. In Persian culture, the pistachio is known as the laughing nut because the open shell looks like a smile. Plant in late winter while the tree is dormant, ideally in well-drained, slightly alkaline soil. Space trees 6 to 8 meters apart. And here's the key. Pistachios are dioecious, meaning you need both male and female trees. 1 male for every 8 to 10 females will do the job. Do choose a hot, dry climate with cold winters. Don't overwater or plant in heavy clay, because root rot will kill this tree fast. Do be patient. It takes 5 to 8 years for the first harvest and 15 to 20 years for full production. Don't plant in humid or tropical climates where fungal diseases thrive. A tree that laughs in the desert, feeds generations, and lives for centuries. That's the pistachio. Some things are worth waiting for. Restore, protect, inspire.